What's up, guys? Today I'm checking out more Buckshot LeFonque. This one's titled I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, requested by King Peter on Streamlabs. Big shout out to you. Haven't heard this one before, but I do know of like the poetry or the book by Maya Angelou. Is it a poem or is it a book actually? Wait, maybe I don't know. But I know of it, to say the least. Okay, yeah, it is a book. Okay. And I've never read it before. I probably should one day. But yeah, this is a song that's based on that, I think. Or it's like, actually, you know what? Let me pull up lyrics too. But yeah, I've heard a couple of their songs. Maybe like one that I remember. It was like a jazzy hip hop song or something like that. So yeah, this should be interesting though. Buckshot. I know. Here we go. Lyrics. Okay. Here we go. Oh wait, actually I think yeah, Maya Angelou. Oh wait, they're using her vocals, I guess. I don't know what's happening. Uh Apparently I think that's what's happening though. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. That being said, let's check it out. I'm actually really looking forward to this because I love that last song in there that I listened to.
The caged bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom.
Okay. I know a lot. The book sounds like it'll be like a really good read. I have to check it out.
A free bird leaps on the back of the wind and floats downstream till the currents end, and dips his wing in the orange sun rays and dares to claim the sky. But a bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage. His wings are clipped, his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing.
Ayakata, ayakata, ayakutu, ayakata, 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 ayakutu, ayakata, 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 ayakutu, ayakata, 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 ayakutu, ayakata.
I mean, this is automatically going on my playlist, by the way. This is just too fire. I love like the spoken word format over jazz music. Wait, and I love like you can hear like they have like this naturey background for the song as well. It's a really nice touch. You can hear like birds chirping.
Free bird leaps on the back of the wind and floats downstream till the currents end and dips his wing in the orange sun rays and dares to claim the sky. But a bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage. His wings are clipped, his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The caged bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom.
Ayakata, ayakutu, ayakata, ayakutu,
For the caged bird sings of freedom. For the caged bird sings of freedom. For the caged bird sings of freedom.
Interesting. I like how peaceful and just serene that last 30 seconds of this was. That was such a good song, man. And jazz is honestly just my go-to genre of music, like 99.9% of the time. Whenever I'm feeling, down or happy or whatever the case may be, jazz is just the go-to. And this is why, like songs like these, and I love the spoken word, recital of Maya Angelou's poetry, and that was really beautiful. I was looking at lyrics as well for it, It started to repeat towards the end, but overall, yeah, that was really beautiful and very touching. Definitely, it makes me want to actually check out the book itself because I've heard about it a lot and I know it's highly regarded and whatnot, but I've just never looked into it. But I think I definitely will after this, to be honest. But yeah, beautiful instrumentation throughout as well. And I once again I love like that nature background with the birds chirping and everything constantly playing throughout the song. I thought that was really, really nice touch. But yeah, that was Buckshot LeFonque's I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.